Okay guys, welcome back. Very exciting video we have for you today. In this video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be taking delivery, or we already took delivery, of our 2026 Denali Ultimate, and we're going to give you a quick walkthrough, not a quick walkthrough, but we'll walk through the exterior and then we'll give you a look at the interior, and then in future videos we will go in depth into the interior and the exterior and see what the Denali Ultimate gives you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. And as you guys can see right off the bat, we have the onyx black exterior, and we'll show you once we get inside, but the Denali Ultimate has that mocha brown interior. We'll show you all of that, all the badging, everything like that. But starting with the exterior, you can see we have this dark chrome grille. Obviously on the Denalis, it has the big bright chrome like the bottom here for the grille, and with the Denali Ultimates, they black out the GMC emblem and they give you that dark kind of Vader chrome, they call it, for the grille, and I think it looks amazing. So giving you a full look at the front here, obviously starting with the hood, we have these nice hood lines in the hood, making it seem a lot more aggressive. Dropping down, nice little piece here, not functional, but nonetheless looks pretty good on the truck. Obviously full LED running lights, full LED headlights, obviously LED fog lights as well. As you guys can see, we have a nice vent there to flow the air through. And dropping down, we have obviously our front sensors, and then dropping right down, we have chrome tow hooks and the chrome kind of bottom piece there with our block heater plug. Guys, a lot of controversy surrounding the dark chrome going to the bottom. Would you guys have liked to see the dark chrome instead of the shiny chrome there? Let me know down in the comments below. But coming around to the side here, starting with the upper fender, obviously we have Ultimate, and inside this one is the 3-liter Duramax, which in my opinion is probably one of the better engines that you can buy, especially if you're gonna do a little bit of towing or looking for that fuel efficiency. You're gonna get it with that, but you're not sacrificing power. So dropping down here to our tire, we have a Bridgestone Alenza tire. As you guys can see, it's more of a street kind of ride focused tire. And dropping down here, we have our 22-inch wheel. I believe this is a 275/50. Yep, so it's a 275/50 22, and we have a nice 22-inch kind of Vader dark chrome wheel there that is specific to the Ultimate. As we continue along, obviously we have our chrome mirror caps, chrome surround, and chrome door handles, as well as the badging and the running boards. I'll give you a quick side profile. So as you guys can see, lots of chrome accents here. You have kind of a Vader chrome wheel, and then you have lots of chrome accents along with the Ultimate badging there to kind of showcase the truck, make it stand out a little bit more. So as we continue along, obviously that chrome surround, chrome running boards, chrome door handles, and same tire out back, that Bridgestone Alenza 275/50 22. And another cool thing that a lot of people may not notice or know is that because you get the carbon fiber bed here, you don't get your normal wheel liners. So you will not see your normal wheel liners in the Sierra Denali Ultimate. That showcases it there, because it's just a carbon fiber bed. So you do not get your normal wheel liners, kind of the felt liners there. But as we jump around back here, another good point to mention while I'm here, this hard folding tonneau cover, if you have one on your previous Sierra Silverado with the short bed, it all lines up. If it is not a carbon fiber or a carbon pro bed, the tonneau cover will not fit because it mounts differently if it is a carbon pro bed. So just a tip, if you're looking to reuse it, it will not fit. So as you can see, we'll give you that nice rear profile. And guys, I think the styling on the Sierras just look phenomenal. So as we kind of get into it here, going top down, we have obviously our multi-pro tailgate, so that's what the top button's for. We also have obviously the tailgate functionality as well. Dropping down, black GMC emblems, Denali badge, and obviously your Sierra badge, all chrome with full LED taillights, of course, and reverse lights. Dropping down some more, we have our trailering connections there. We have your license plate lights, obviously, and your rear sensors, okay, with the chrome exhaust tips. So I will give you a look at the carbon fiber bed. And the nice thing about this Denali Ultimate and all the Denali Ultimates that you will buy has the optional dealer installed kicker system, which I will show you. So dropping down, bottom one for the entire tailgate, soft close. You guys can see this is the carbon fiber bed. It is set up a little differently from your normal Sierra bed. Obviously still have lots of your toe mounting spots or your ratchet straps or whatever you'd like to use. Lots of hooks, functionality there, your bed lights, and obviously that hard folding tonneau cover. But yeah, so there's no liner here. This is just straight carbon fiber basically. So as we can see, we have lots of different functionality for the Multi-Pro, and we can do that in a separate video if you guys want to see the different functions to the Multi-Pro. But here it is, the kicker audio system. And obviously this is a dealer installed option, but it comes with all the Ultimates, or most of them to my knowledge. And guys, this sound system sounds great. So we can see if we can do a video without getting copyrighted, but this kicker audio system for these two speakers and this control panel works amazing and sounds phenomenal. So we will see if we can do that in another video, but that's what it looks there, and that's what it looks like there. And guys, it'll only work if you drop the tailgate. So the audio system will not work if it's up in that position. It has to be down. So once it's down like this, then obviously all the functionality will work. But if it is not down like this, it will not work. So we're gonna close it up here. And obviously you guys know we can just drop the top portion. And then obviously we can put this up as well. If you guys need a stopper for anything, if you want to extend the bed a little bit, put that down. Take a step back, guys. That is the GMC Denali Ultimate from the back. Moving around to the side, obviously like the other side, we have, it is a 5.8 bedder. It's the short bed version with the 22-inch wheels, and those are 275/50 R22. And they are sitting on that Bridgestone Alenza. So coming around to the side here again, kind of getting a little bit of sun, so I'll show you from the side. Guys, just looks phenomenal, like just a stunning truck. Obviously our chrome surrounds. I will give you a look at the front seats. There's that Ultimate again. I will pop the hood to show you the 3-liter Duramax as well. Let's do that first. Guys, pop in the hood. We will come back to the interior, I promise. So drop in the hood. It's a little difficult to do it with one hand. Guys, as you can see, the 3-liter Duramax, putting out roughly 305 horsepower with 460 pound-feet of torque. And this engine's great. Fuel economy, phenomenal. Obviously, I haven't had it that long, but the fuel efficiency is great. Like, it is second to none for the power it gives you. I never feel like I really need more power with this thing, especially with all the torque it has. So there's a quick look at it there. It is the upgraded version from the previous generation of 3-liter Duramax. So this one I believe is the LZ0, if I'm not mistaken, and the previous was the LM2, but correct me if I'm wrong. And we'll give you a quick look there. Shut the hood, and we'll give you a quick look at the interior here. Guys, as you can see, obviously just stunning. These seats are second to none. The brown kind of, I don't know, it looks like a mocha to me. Mocha brown interior with the white piping, white kind of stitching, black kind of cross stitching there. And guys, we'll give you a look at the door panel here. Starting from the top, we have this beautiful kind of wood trim. kind of like a silver aluminum trim underneath it. We have, again, that white stitching, white piping. Dropping down, we have the Denali, kind of the Mount Denali texture that they like to put in. We have the Ultimate badging there with Mount Denali coordinates. We have our beautiful Bose speaker grill there. Obviously, the one thing I forgot to mention doing the exterior is we have these beautiful power running boards, guys. So obviously they fold in and out. You can keep them out or you can keep them in depending on what you like. There is a button here on the back where you will kick it, and then that helps you get any of the stuff in the back of your bed, and then just kick it to put it back. So I think that's pretty cool. Jumping back to the interior, obviously beautiful steering wheel there. The big thing about this, guys, is the Super Cruise. Denali Ultimate comes with Super Cruise. So we'll show you that in another video. We have the camera right there. We'll show you just how that works in another video. But dropping down to the seats here, before I forget, obviously like 17, 18 way power adjustable with massaging. So you have your lumbar. This also has an adjustment for your shoulder bolsters, as well as obviously the side bolsters, and then the massage. So that's a quick access. That button there is a quick access to your massage versus going through it with this dial here. You can go through all the options. And like I said, we will show you all those options in the next video. So stay tuned for that. But center console, obviously, beautiful stitching there. And guys, these seats are just phenomenal. I'll show you the passenger side. It's got a little bit there that I would like to show you. Obviously, we have our sunroof. And then I will show you the back seats as well. So guys, jump in here to the passenger. What I like about this, it has Mount Denali coordinates, and I think they called it a topography map or something like that of Mount Denali itself. So that's super cool touch, guys. We have our leather wrapped grab handles, just so you don't grab on anything too hard because you're in your Denali Ultimate. And obviously the door panel, again, speaker grill, Ultimate coordinates, everything like that, guys. It looks phenomenal. We'll shut that. Power running boards as well. And let me give you guys a quick look at the rear seats. Got some stuff on the ground, but guys, again, that kind of map with Mount Denali, beautiful, beautiful stitching. We have our storage, in-seat storage. Pull this down. You have your cup holders, center kind of console area. Put that back up. Guys, again, that mapping right on the back of the seats here with your seat pocket. Showing you around to the side. That Bose 14 speaker audio system. It's got some nice speaker grills up there as well as in the bottom. And guys, just look at these seats. Just phenomenal. Super comfortable. Lots of space back here. Rear heated seats. USB-A, USB-C for your rear passengers as well. And guys, that is an overview of the 2026 Sierra Denali Ultimate. And like I said, guys, there's just too much in this truck to do it in one video. So we're gonna be, the next video we have out for you will be a showcase of the interior, specifically all the different functionality of your massaging seats, your Super Cruise. There's just so much in this truck. It's too much for one video. So we're gonna leave it at that. Let me know. Oh, as you guys can see, I already have my bullet antenna on there. But there, it's a little dirty. It's been pouring rain here, so it's a little dirty. Forgive me, but the weather is getting warmer, so we'll take it. There's a side profile. When the sun hits it, guys, it looks stunning. So there's a side profile. And obviously, like I was saying before, there's just so much in this truck. It's too much for one video, or the video would be 3 hours long. So we're gonna leave it at that. Quick little walkthrough, quick little showcase of the Denali Ultimate. But don't worry, we're gonna have lots more videos in depth on this truck, so stay tuned for that. Especially interior, like I said, Super Cruise, so much functionality in this truck, and maybe that audio system, if we can find a way not to get copyrighted, we will showcase the Kicker audio system for you guys, because it's a really, really cool system. So without further ado, leave all your comments, thoughts, anything like that down in the description, or sorry, down in the comments. We will try to answer them as fast as we can. And guys, like the video, subscribe if you are new. Tons of new content coming on this truck, as well as some other really interesting content that you guys should stay tuned for. So without further ado, guys, thanks for watching this video. We appreciate it. We appreciate your support. We will see you all in the next video.